Hello and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading mixed on Wednesday ahead of June US CPI data, which will help investors ascertain the Federal Reserve monetary stance going forward. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 0.5% at 40,510 points. CBOE has recently filed 5 spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund proposal to incorporate a surveillance sharing agreement with Coinbase. The new development helped push Coinbase shares up nearly 10%, reaching their highest price since August 16, 2022. Interestingly, Mr. Mt. Gox, once the biggest Bitcoin exchange, has recently announced that it is all set to finally repay the exchange's creditors by the end of October 2023. However, the repayment of creditors by Mt. Gox is anticipated to be a unique event and is certain to have a significant impact on the overall crypto markets, analysts said. Going forward, Cathie Wood's investment has recently sold a total of around 135,150 Coinbase shares worth around $12 million. Meanwhile, analysts expect a recovery in BTC prices in the fourth quarter, but a full bull market will take time, maybe until 2024, which will depend upon the announcements of rate hikes, BTC halving, and the resolution of regulatory storms. However, few analysts distance themselves from the recent Standard Chartered report that suggests Bitcoin will hit $120,000 by the end of next year. It remains a lofty prediction. Analysts may differ on price forecasts, but one thing they agree upon is the bull market on the horizon for 2024. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.19 trillion mark, rising 0.8% in the last 24 hours. Total trading volumes decreased about 20% to $26 billion. Coinbase, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, announced that it will list Helium, a decentralized wireless network token, on its platform. Following this announcement, price of Helium tokens soared more than 9%. US stock futures were higher as investors look towards the first pivotal inflation report slated for release this week. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500 futures gained 46 points and 0.2% respectively. Nasdaq 100 futures also climbed 0.2%. Bitcoin was trading at $30,675, up 0.8%. According to data from an on-chain analytics firm Glassnode, the balance of Bitcoin on exchanges experienced a significant declining trail and has touched its 5-year low. On the contrary, these declining figures also pertain with the increasing accumulation among investors, analysts believe. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 1%, trading at $1,886. BNB was up by 0.6% to trade at $247. Solana SOL was up 0.6% and was trading at $22. Cardano's AT token was up by 0.7% to trade at $0.29. Polygon Matic was trading up by 0.1% to trade at $0.73. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 0.6% at $0.065. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.47, down by 0.2%. Polkadot was up by 2.6% to trade at $5.2. However, Avalanche AVAX was trading at $13.2, lower 1%. Shiba Inu was trading down by 0.3%. Now let's move on to our expert, Mr. Kushal Patel, to understand the current situation of Bitcoin and its way forward.
So Bitcoin currently has around 45-50% of the total market cap of cryptocurrency. It is the big boy, it is the king, it is the most trusted and the safest asset. When you look at Bitcoin as a technology, it is old and ancient. Ethereum is much newer. Solana gave much newer options. We are having new L1s like Aptos and Sui coming in. I mean, go and build something on Bitcoin. It's next to impossible. Recently, Bitcoin NFTs got famous, but the hype died down in like 20 days. Try Bitcoin on Lightning. You'd still prefer doing a transaction on Ethereum. So Bitcoin as an actual utility, I don't see it ever doing well technologically. But the thing is that when someone like a BlackRock or someone like a Fidelity comes in, they don't want to immediately touch Ethereum. So because of this, a lot of money will continue to flow into Bitcoin, and Bitcoin will become an asset like gold eventually, or potentially, which will not move much, and it will be a safe place to park your money.
Thank you so much, Mr. Patel, for talking to us and for sharing your views. That's all in Coin Monitor for now. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.2TV. And for more information and updates, log on to our website www.3worstv.io or scan the QR code.
3.0 TV, stay connected with the world of blockchain.
Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs.
Come explore and evolve with 3.0 TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.0 TV delivers the news that matters.
Interfi blockchain security auditors recently published a study on the Bad Idea AI chatbot, a SHIB token official partner. The security audit was carried out using both manual code review and automated analysis. All Solidity codes were examined for centralized exploits and smart contract flaws. According to the article, Interfi confirmed that the Solidity code had no serious flaws. When it comes to crypto frauds, the high resistance to exploitation is a huge advantage, especially in an ambitious mix of AI, blockchain, and DAOs. Bad Idea AI's native cryptocurrency BAD has gained popularity among crypto personalities on Twitter. The chatbot suggests a Shiboshi breeding mechanism for the Shiba Inu community on Discord. BAD can be traded on Shiba Swap, but most trading occurs on Uniswap, accounting for 98% of the current volume. The cryptocurrency was recently listed on Bitmart, the 29th largest exchange with 12.3 million monthly visitors. According to on-chain data, Bitcoin transfer volume has just hit levels 75% greater than the FTX collapse lows as it continues to rise. The term transfer volume refers to the total amount of Bitcoin in USD involved in blockchain transactions. When the volume of this measure is high, it indicates that holders are moving a large amount of coins around the network. In general, such a pattern indicates that traders are actively participating in the market. According to Glassnode's most recent weekly report, BTC transfer volume has grown to $4.2 billion per day. The Bitcoin transfer volume indicator is entity adjusted, focusing on the volume exchange between different entities on the network rather than individual addresses. An entity is a collection of addresses controlled by the same investor, and excluding personal wallet transfers from the volume is not relevant. The increase in transfer volume is a positive sign for BTC, indicating increased interest among investors. However, compared to the 2021 bull run, the current values of the indicator are slightly lower. Rodeo Finance, an Arbitrum-based decentralized finance technology, was attacked for $1.53 million on July 11th. According, vulnerability in the DeFi protocol's oracle was exploited, resulting in a loss of over 810 ethers. The exploiter later bridged the stolen assets from Arbitrum to Ethereum and swapped 285 ETH for UNSH ETH, according to data released by blockchain analytics firm PeckShield. The ETH was subsequently deposited on ETH2 staking by the exploiter. Finally, the exploiter routed the stolen ETH through Tornado Cash, a prominent mixer service that exploiters frequently employ as an exit route to hide the transactions trail. The exploiter utilized time-weighted average price oracle manipulation in DeFi protocols to calculate asset average prices and mitigate market volatility fluctuations.